Hi guys, I'm Marc.
I'm Keito.
Today we're going to be shooting the Siesta Mukbang series episode 2. We're going to be trying the Pesto Chicken Jaffle and the Tteokbokki. And it's our first time trying the Tteokbokki, so we're happy to share our experience with you guys today. So actually the first food we're going to try today is the Siesta Pesto Chicken Jaffle. And I haven't eaten all day. Okay. Yo, that looks like a little ting right there.
Okay.
Let's try it out.
What is
This is a pesto chicken
Pesto
jaffle.
Chicken Jaffle?
Do you know what pesto chicken is?
No, I don't know.
It's basically just basil, oil, olive oil, a lot of olive oil, a lot of garlic.
Can I try?
Yeah, of course you can. Anyway, I didn't eat all day today, so. Yo. Really delicious. What do you think?
Delicious.
日本語大丈夫？
美味しい。
美味しい？ Okay.
すごく美味しい。
すごく美味しい? Like the outside is real crispy and like really buttery. Do you know what jaffle means?
Jahome? No, I don't know.
Do you know what jaffle means?
No, I don't know.
Jaffle is an Australian word for toasted sandwich. Toasted.
Okay.
I ate the sandwich already. Yo, I like it because you can taste the olive oil and all the garlic, so it's really good for me. What do you think?
Cheese.
Cheese though.
Garlic.
Mm-hmm.
Good.
Cheese and garlic, good. All right, I got you. My
And
dude.
crispy.
Crispy. Okay. I'm sorry I ate mine a little fast, yo. I'm really hungry. I didn't eat it all. Tembo. Yes, that's that boy. Yo, what I like about Siesta is like I work here, so I know what's in these sandwiches, and it's all just like straight up handmade and like made with love. You know what I'm saying? Made with love. You know what I'm saying? A little bit of love. Our next dish is the Siesta Tteokbokki, and I really want to eat it. I'm really hungry. 食べたい?
Yeah, I wanna try tteokbokki.
食べたい?
食べたい.
먹고 싶어?
먹고 싶어.
먹고 싶은데? 먹고 싶은데? 분식 먹고 싶어요. 분식 먹고 싶어요. Yes. All right, yo. Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy.
Good. Let's eat, yo. What is it? Karai. Is it spicy? No, it's not.
But delicious.
How do you say baby in Japanese?
Baby.
Yeah.
Kodomo.
Kodomo. I love tteokbokki, and this is the first time I've had it here in Siesta. It's pretty good. Tteokbokki, have you eaten it before? Where?
High school.
High school. How old are you now?
16.
No, now.
Now?
Yeah.
25.
So you tried it 10 years ago?
10 years ago, yes.
Okay.
This is so special.
No, it's not. You're, just
So,
you're somewhere else. Toa?
so,
Look at his face. Keep eating. Eat it all.
I can't.
Keep eating. Don't be a baby. You ain't no baby. You're a strong boy. Look at him. Look at him. Habitai?
Yes.
먹고 싶어?
먹고 싶어.
Strong, man. Just be strong. Look at his face. For the audience, wants you to drink it. Wants you to drink
Okay.
the soup. For the audience. Wait, hold on. Drink a lot. More. It looks okay. You look fine. His face is a little red. It's a strong boy. Strong boy from
Yeah.
Japan.
I'm strong.
Strong.
I'm
Yeah.
Keito.
It's Keito.
Very strong.
Let me try that. Hold on.
Try?
Yeah, I want to try that. Not spicy. It's not spicy. How do you say chewy in Japanese?
食感。
食感. めっちゃ食感.
食感。
いい.
食感がいい。
그냥 맛있어요. 진짜 맛있어.
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 But spicy.
매워. You know what this is?
No.
That's a
This.
fish cake.
Fish cake. Can I have water?
No.
No?
Yo, so we had to take a little break because the homeboy's dying. He almost died. Delicious? Already.
Delicious.
Delicious. Yo, I love it because it's like sweet and spicy. And the chewiness. I love the chewiness. You're a strong man.
I'm strong.
맛있어? Well, anyway, I love the flavor. It's delicious. Not spicy to me. Just keep eating. Not spicy at all. Not spicy, dog. A little
Right.
spicy. Here you go.
No spicy.
No spicy. Yo, we're that strong boy, strong boy. Yeah. Spice Squad. Hashtag Spicy Squad. Say it, come on. Spicy Squad.
Spicy squad.
You right, Keito? Alright, so if you want to share in our experience, you should come down to Siesta, try the Pesto Chicken Jaffle and the Tteokbokki. See if you can handle it better than Keito over here. You got it?
Yeah.
Hashtag Spicy Squad?
Yeah. Hashtag spicy squad.
Hashtag Spicy Squad, you know what I'm saying? Make sure to come by Siesta.